Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to wrap text in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, type your text like here. Make the size. So we can see this is the big size and it will take couple of columns. So easy and simple way, if you want to keep your text in just in one single cell. So select it, then click on wrap text. Wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. So just select it. So we can see these all are in just in one single cell. So this way you can insert and you can wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.